In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print full bleed by oversizing and trimming in PowerPoint. Full bleed means your background color, image, or design goes right to the edge of the paper with no white border. Most desktop printers can't print perfectly edge to edge, so the professional solution is to make your slide slightly larger, print it, and then trim it down to the final size. Here's how to do that smoothly and accurately. Start by setting an oversized slide. In PowerPoint, go to Design, then Slide Size, and choose Custom Slide Size. Add 3 mm, or about 0.125 inches, to every edge of your final document. That means you add 6 mm total to both width and height. For example, if your final size is A4 at 21 by 29.7 centimeters, set it to 21.6 by 30.3 centimeters. If your units are in inches, add a 1/4 inch to both width and height. This oversize is your bleed area. Now extend your backgrounds into that bleed area. Make sure any images, shapes, and color blocks reach all the way to the outer slide edge. Don't stop at the intended final page size. This prevents thin white lines when you trim. If you're using photos, scale them slightly larger so they continue past the edge. Keep important content like text and logos comfortably away from the edge so they won't risk getting cut off later. To make trimming easier, turn on Guides. Go to View and enable Guides. Drag guides to sit 3 mm inside from each edge. These guides mark the final cut line. Treat them as the safe frame for important content. Keep text and key elements inside these lines while backgrounds continue to the outer edge. Next, export as a PDF rather than printing straight from PowerPoint. Go to File, Save As, and choose PDF. Pick a high-quality or print preset. This preserves sharpness, color, and positioning so your printer doesn't reinterpret scaling. When printing the PDF, choose actual size or 100% in the print dialog. Disable Fit to Page or any scaling options. You want a true one-to-one print of your oversized document. If your printer can't do borderless on the chosen paper, have it print on a larger sheet, or take the file to a print shop for best results. Finally, trim to the final size. Use a sharp craft knife or rotary cutter, a metal ruler, and a cutting mat. Cut carefully along your guidelines. Work from edge to edge and avoid sawing motions. If you're producing multiple copies, ask a print shop to trim with a guillotine for perfectly square, consistent results. This workflow gives you clean, edge-to-edge color every time.